Hi everyone, it's Crystal, one of the digital learning coaches for TUSD. Today I'm going to show you a web-based program called Newsela. Newsela provides current events articles that are written at 5 different reading levels so you can meet the needs of all the students in your class. And what's even better is that most articles already have quizzes associated with them that can help you check for student comprehension, critical thinking, and close reading. This is the Newsela homepage. You can see that I have logged in and I've created an account as a teacher. What that allows me to do is to assign articles to classes of students. Once the article is assigned to the students, students can navigate to one of 5 different Lexile levels and take a quiz associated with that certain Lexile level. Students are able to see their progress, including their average Lexile level and their quiz average. There are some pro or paid features of Newsela that give the teacher a detailed dashboard of student progress, but most of the features that allow students to utilize Newsela in the classroom are completely free. Newsela is very easy to navigate. You can choose a topic from the top, or you can simply use the search bar and search by keyword, grade level, reading standard, and select articles that do have quizzes, because there are some articles on Newsela that don't have quizzes. For example, let's go ahead and talk about obesity. And I would like articles on obesity at the grade 11 through 12, and I want articles that have quizzes. I have a bunch of different articles, obviously a lot of these in the health category, that have to do with the keyword obesity. If I click on this one, I'll click on the one for science. It takes me to the article. Now, it defaulted over here on the right-hand side to a 1040 Lexile level. If I click on Max, it will give me the original article. I can see who the original article was by and what newspaper or publication this original article was in. It gives me the word count, and the max level is always a grade 12 reading level. As you go down, every article will have different Lexile levels, but they will be in decreasing order, and there will always be 5 for each category. You will notice as I click on the different Lexile levels that the title of the article slightly changes and the word count generally decreases slightly. If I go to the very lowest one for this article, I can see that it's a grade level 4. And if I look at the article, it is shorter and it is at a lower reading level. If I go back up to the max, which is the grade 12 original article, I can see that the language and sentence structure that is used is much more complex. Now, articles that have quizzes, the students can open simply by clicking on the quiz, and there are 4 questions. Because I am on the teacher side, I can see the answers right away. Obviously, the students would be able to take this without seeing the answers until they finish all 4 questions. Now, this is the quiz for the 1150 Lexile level. If they click on the 840 Lexile level, their quiz questions will be slightly different. As a teacher, if I do create a class, I can simply assign this article to my sample class, and it will show up on my students page. I also have the option of printing the article at the specific Lexile level that I want for students to be able to look at on paper. On the student side of things, if I go up here to where it says assignments, I will see all of the things that my teachers have assigned to me. I can see right now that I was just assigned about invasive lionfish. When I click on this article, it will default to a specific Lexile level, but at that point, I can change the different Lexile levels and thus take the quizzes for the specific level that I choose. I am given a snapshot of my average Lexile level as well as my quiz average. I just selected a couple articles and clicked some random buttons. That's why my quiz average is a 13%. And this is what the students are able to see. So today I read an article at level 400 and I read an article at level 1170, and I would be able to see this chart. Now this chart only shows up on the student's screen, not the teacher's, but the students can easily take a screenshot and submit this to the teacher so the teacher can track their progress. And that's about it for Newsela. It's a great place to find nonfiction literature for just about every subject area. And the great thing is that you can tailor that to meet your students' needs by changing the reading level. I hope you check out Newsela and use it with your students. Thank you.